Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's Brand Kit. Now from the dashboard, go to the hamburger icon to open up the menu. Then go to Brand and open that. And here it will take you to Canva's Brand Kit. This will also show you any brands that you're currently working with. Now to add new, simply go to the right and select Add New. Here you will enter the brand name. Once it is created, select Create, and here you will be able to drop the brand's logo. You can set the color, fonts for titles, subtitles, heading, and so forth. The brand voice. You can also upload photos, graphics, icons, possible charts if you have that for the brand going on as well, and the standard colors to use. And lastly, you can choose to share this with the client. You can also click on the three dots and you can add a brand kit to folder. Also, you'll be able to edit this folder if you choose to change the name of it. But that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.